In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the preset option in order to set up your total station and orientate it. This option uses GPS position to orientate your total station. It is a requirement that you must have a fixed solution. We have already created our project. We have connected between the control box and the total station. We must have RTK. So let's go under Device, then select Rover. We will select our appropriate or correct correction method. This is set successfully. Let's now check under GPS that we have an RTK FIX. We have an RTK FIX. Let's now go under Device, select Total Station, then select Preset. For preset, we need to move between 2 points that form an angle of at least 60 degrees with the total station. Let's do this. We'll select on tracking and measuring, then start working until our residuals are acceptable. Our residuals are acceptable. Select on Stop, then select on Apply. We have now successfully set up our total station using the preset method.